G'day mates, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT, welcome to the channel. Well, tonight you find me here at Caddens Corner for the Cars Under the Stars event. One of the best in the business. This one is always packed out. Doesn't happen that often, but when it does, mate, it goes off with a bang. So we're going to take a walk around, check out what's here. We're just going to skim kind of video, which is too much here to film like in detail. So grab that nice icy cold beer, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Alright ladies and gents, we'll just walk past these immaculate beasts. All beautiful Chevys. Got the Holden 61. This beautiful 56 Chevy. And a few more.
You fucking tell me he's going to cut the grass today.
The RX-7. Cortona rolling in. The Jag. Got the Toyota.
This is something to fucking record.
Alright, check out these the Mustang and the Camaro. The Toyota. Lovely Ford Ute. Got a bit of music happening again. So let's hope. Yeah, it'll just have to be quick, ladies and gents. Alright, so far there's just the beats happening when the music, the instruments begin, obviously. Alright, let's continue. Mate, it is chaos here tonight. WRX, a couple of them here, Toyotas. Alright, this is a crossing. I don't know where's trying to go in here. Oh, he's found a parking spot. Alright, no mucking around. Yes, sir. One second. Yeah. These engine bays, since they're up, it's tough to see. Mate, it is chaos. Chaos over here. The Buick, full immaculate. Over there, a couple of these wonderful Commodores. Very nice indeed. XT, GT, beautiful. XR6. The Valiant with the Greek flags, yes sir. Some nice, incredible beastie beasts. So yeah, on and off now for the music. I've got to do 3-second shots of these cars because of the music. So beats just happening, we might get away with it. Sasha's car, yes sir. 3-second snips because of the music. One of my youngest subscribers, ladies and gents, mate, the Jack Daniels is doing overtime. They're mucking around, taught from young, yes sir. Now that's the way you bring up the kids. Alright, let's go. Music everywhere, copyright strikes. Ladies and gents, so I should be doing a feature of these cars, maybe a third one as well, so keep a lookout for that video, going to come up soon. Nice. Right. Check out the muzzies. Back to the doghouse, ladies and gents. A little bit quieter here. Just giving you guys a rough idea of this place and how it is. Because you just want to come down here and have a look at this place live. It's very, very nice. Alright, as long as the beats are just happening. You get away with it. Just the music everywhere, ladies and gents. Music everywhere. It's making it hard for me to do these walk around videos.
Gentlemen,
All right,
Barney,
keep talking,
just,
mate.
close the car park. Let me just take this opportunity, obviously, to mention a few things, especially now that obviously the car park's a little bit fuller. For the people that have never been here before, ladies and gentlemen, the toilets are located right in the middle of the centre. Actually, no, not in the middle of the centre. Go towards the Woolworths sign, straight in through there. You've got male, female, disability toilets, parenting toilets, and all that sort of stuff. All right. There is food outlets in there, ladies and gentlemen, as well as 2 food trucks behind us here to provide I suppose what's missing in the cuisine inside. Come and check out all the stalls. There's plenty of stalls at the back here. Doggy treats, crystals. We've got boiled lollies, all sorts of stuff. As I said, plenty to come and look at. All right. Want to say a big shout out obviously to our sponsor Shannon's, ladies and gentlemen. They're there to obviously provide you guys with some quotations. Go and see the guys, or the guys will be walking around and talking to you. We'd also like to acknowledge the fact that we've got TTH, which is our sponsor, A1 Auto Parts at Blacktown, as well as Streetsmart Auto Parts, and we've also
And there's a ski lighter,
sponsoring some trophies. Some trophies obviously on display here, a couple of bags, some top 12, as well as the sponsor's choice, and some nice little thank you gifts, obviously, or thank you trophies for the special card displays. Now, just want to mention, because I have noticed a few people, ladies and gentlemen, this is an alcohol-free zone. Don't walk around with beers in your hand, put the beers away, otherwise you will call security and have you removed out of the venue. This is not an alcohol zone, it's not an alcohol-friendly event, this is an alcohol-free zone. So please, put your alcohol away, in your purse, in your wristband, for kids that are riding around bikes, get off the bikes, do not be riding any bikes inside the centre. No scooters, no skateboards or wheels. If you come off that car, if you come off the scooter, you come off the bike and hit a car, we're in trouble as well. Right, so please, ladies and gentlemen, no kids, no bikes, no scooters. For the parents that are obviously here, I'm going to please be mindful of
Hopefully I'll make it to the other side before the music starts. This is probably the fastest show I've ever filmed.
We don't know his first name.
Keep talking, Barney, please keep talking.
I think we've got 3. 2 walking around and 1 that I call one of my workers. 4. Okay, sorry, I've been told there's 4 sumo wrestlers. Alright. So, again, ladies and gentlemen, another thing that I'd like to mention.
We're almost there.
Anybody that wants to leave the venue, please leave the venue.
I'll make this
Make
a
sure you
beach
leave
this
the
one.
venue nice and quietly. We are the nicest people to get along with. But I'll tell you, if you leave this venue sideways, or you want to put some dirt tracks down, or some of your tyre marks down, trust me, all that I've got to say to you is that smile, you're on camera, and we will dot you in, alright? This is the reason why our events don't get targeted by RMS and defect stations, or the local federales. Why? Because of our attitude towards bad behaviour. We will keep doing what we do, so they can keep leaving us alone. So again, all I'm going to say is that if you're not happy with what you see here tonight, and you don't like my car show, or you don't like me, or you don't like my sumo wrestlers, then all that I'm going to say is just leave quietly. Thank you very much for coming. Sorry we couldn't excite you, but just don't live like a donkey, because we will dot you in. Alright? That's all that I've got to say, ladies and gentlemen. I'll speak to you guys a little bit later. Oh, that's right. I also wanted to mention, for anybody who've got children, there's some go-karts back here, ladies and gentlemen, electric go-karts for the kiddies from the age of 4 to 11. That's what they're designed for. Electric go-karts for the kids, ladies and gentlemen. Go and check them out. They're really, really cool.
Okay, we've still got 2 rows. If you ask me one more.
Lighter.
Yeah, keep it down. Keep the music down. We're almost out of there.
Oh, to there? Where?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed that skim walk around. I had to do it very quick because the music was playing. Some parts I had to do 3-second snippets of each car just to get around it. And sometimes when Barney was actually having a chat on the microphone, I was able to go a bit quick past the cars without stopping the video. Anyway, that's how it is. Can't get copyright strikes. 3 strikes if I cop, the channel gets closed down, so got to be careful. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for the support. See you all in the next one. Bye for now.